This story begins in a unique and extraordinary world where thousands of sperm are racing forward, each one driven by a single goal, to reach the egg. But only one will succeed, and that one will write the very first line of a new chapter of life. Amid this intense race, one sperm moves ahead of all the others and gently crosses the protective layer of the egg. The moment this connection happens, the egg instantly seals itself, and from here, a new life begins. Now, two separate identities become one. The genetic material of the sperm and the egg combine to form a unique DNA. This is where every feature of this new life is decided, a tiny spark that will slowly grow. This single cell does not stop. It begins to divide again and again. With every division, a new step, a new level of complexity. Life is designing itself. Soon, these tiny cells come together to form a compact structure called the morula, a small seed holding the potential of an entire life. Now this structure begins to change. A space forms inside. A new shape emerges called the blastocyst. Now it is ready for the next phase of its journey. Slowly, the blastocyst travels forward through a safe path, the fallopian tube, where tiny movements guide it along, as if something is leading it home. It finally reaches the wall of the uterus and gently begins to attach itself. This is the first connection that will support this new life. Gradually, it embeds deeper into the uterine wall. Blood vessels begin to connect with it. Now, this life is firmly anchored. The placenta begins to develop, a natural life support system, providing oxygen, nutrients, and protection to the baby, strengthening life with every passing second. The baby is now inside a protective bubble, the amniotic sac, filled with fluid that cushions and protects it, creating a safe and peaceful environment. And then, a magical moment. For the first time, a tiny heartbeat can be felt. The baby's heart begins to beat, a signal that life has truly begun. The brain and nervous system start developing. Signals begin to travel, forming the foundation for every future movement and emotion. Now the baby's arms and legs begin to form, tiny structures slowly taking shape. The baby now resembles a human form, floating gently in the fluid, growing step by step toward a complete life. Facial features become clearer. Sometimes the baby even sucks its thumb, a natural instinct, a glimpse of innocence. The baby becomes more active, stretching, kicking. These movements create a beautiful connection between the mother and the baby. The brain is developing rapidly. Connections are forming, building a network that will control thoughts, memories, and emotions in the future. The lungs are now developing, preparing for that special moment when the baby will take its first breath in the outside world. Now the baby is almost fully developed. Space inside becomes limited, and it prepares for the final step, entering the world. The baby changes its position, turning head down, as if nature has perfectly prepared it for birth. Labor begins. Contractions grow stronger. The uterus gently pushes the baby downward, an intense and powerful process. Now the baby passes through the cervix. The body gently compresses. Each contraction pushes it forward. The journey is tough, but this is the path that leads to the world. And then that moment arrives. The baby enters the world, takes its first breath, and a new life begins. A miracle as beautiful every single time.